Acustorm installation. To install the application, you have to be connected to the internet. Find the Play Store icon on your device and click it. In the online store window, go to the search box, then enter the initial characters of the name of the application, Acus. In the drop-down list of filtered applications, select Acustorm. This is English edition of the application. On the application page that opens, click the Install button. Acustorm requires the specified permissions. Click Accept to agree. Then the process of downloading the application to your device begins with the progress bar displayed on the screen. To work properly, Acustorm has the following requirements. Android system version 4.5 or higher should be installed on your device. Free memory size should be at least 150 MB. Screen size should be 4.5 inches or higher. While the download is in progress, check if the auto update checkbox is enabled. You can periodically go to the Acustorm page on the Play Market. If update is available, the install button will be replaced with the update button. Click it to update. When the download is complete, the installation process begins. At the end of the installation, the open and uninstall buttons appear. Click the open button. If you open the application for the first time, it may be necessary to select an account. All application modules will be associated with it. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure that all purchases in the application are always made with the same account. Select an account and click OK. Then the main application window opens. If you open the application for the first time, a disclaimer window is displayed. Read it and put a tick in the checkbox I have read and agree. Then click OK. Thereafter, the trial period of the basic module is automatically activated, and the Atlas tab opens. The trial period of the basic module is 3 months, the other modules 1 week. If you close the application with the back button, you will find a Acustorm icon on the screen. You can further use it to open the application.